Presenting the 2007 Chevrolet Suburban. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are power windows, 4-wheel drive, luggage rack, driver vanity mirror, rear reading lamps, 4-wheel disc brakes, front reading lamps, and keyless entry. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.